Now that we've finished our monochromatic color scheme here, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be moving on to our complementary color scheme here. So what that means is that we're going to be replacing our black for blue's complement. Okay, so go ahead and do that right now. Make sure that you get your color pencil set up. So again, we're going to be replacing our black with blue's complement, and that should be orange. So here we are. So now I'm going to be using my blue, my orange, and my white to complete this this little exercise here. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up my tools. I'm going to move them over. And now, a couple things to think about. All right. Since we're going to be using these different colors, it's a matter of sticking to these two colors. Okay. So what that means is that I could actually go back and forth between blue and orange in terms of the colors of the objects. What I cannot do is I cannot just go all willy-nilly, and what I mean by that is I just can't add orange wherever I think I need to add orange, or wherever I want to add orange, or wherever I want to add blue. You kind of have to have a plan. All right, so that's what I'm going to do, is I'm going to decide what I'm going to make blue, what I'm going to make orange. And then I use the color's complement to make it darker. What I mean is this, is if I decide that I want this to be blue, I will make it darker by adding orange. If I decide to make this orange, I will have to use blue to make it darker. I will always be using white to make it lighter. So that's one thing I want you to think about with this, okay, is now that you have two colors, you could change the color of the object. You could change the color of the tabletop and the background, but you have to stick to this color scheme. All right, and then white will always highlight and lighten, but it is not meant to be a blender. Okay, so keep that in mind. Another common mistake as well as we go forward is a lot of times with the cast shadow that we see over here is people will actually make the cast shadow a different color, not a different value. That's incorrect. If I make the tabletop blue, this would add some orange to make it darker. Okay, so keep that in mind and pay attention as I do this so you can see how this all works out. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and move a little bit faster so you all can see. Make sure that you're looking at your objects over here instead of looking at your drawing that you already did here. Okay, draw from life whenever possible. All right, so here we go.
you.